The Chief Electoral Officer, Manipur, Rajesh Agarwal, informed that elections as many as 38 assembly seats spread across 5 districts will be held in the first phase, while polling for the remaining 22 seats in 6 districts will be held in the second phase on March 3rd. In the first phase on February 27th, elections will be held in Imphal East, Imphal West, Bishnupur, Churachandpur and Kangpokpi districts. In the second phase on March 3rd, polling will be held in Ukhrul, Senapati, Tamenglong, Chandel, Thoubal and Jiribam.
The elections in Manipur will be conducted in 2 phases. First phase, the notification will be issued on 1st of February. Last day of nomination will be 8th of February. Scrutiny of nominations will be conducted on 9th of February. Last day of withdrawal of candidature would be 11th of February. And date of poll for the first phase will be 27th February, that is a Sunday. Similarly, for the second phase, the issue of notification will be on 4th of February. Last day of making nominations 11th of February. Scrutiny of nominations will be on 14th of February, which is a Monday. Last day of withdrawal of candidature will be 16th of February, that is a Wednesday. And the date of poll will be 3rd March on a Thursday, Counting of votes for both the phases of election will be held on 10th of March, that is a Thursday. And the whole electoral process shall be completed on 12th March 2022. The first phase of election, there are 5 districts with 38 assembly constituencies will go for the first phase of election. That includes the district of Imphal East, Imphal West, Bishnupur, Churachandpur and Kangpokpi. 38 assembly constituencies in all together. There are 13 in Imphal West, 10 in Imphal East, 6 in Bishnupur, 6 in Churachandpur and 3 in Kangpokpi. The second phase, a total of 22 assembly constituencies across 6 electoral districts, 3 in Ukhrul, 3 in Senapati, 3 in Tamenglong, 2 in Chandel, 10 in Thoubal and 1 in Jiribam will go to polls as a part of second phase on 3rd of March 2022.